Welcome into lesson 37, everyone. Today we are talking about major triads. First off, let's talk about a chord. So what is a chord? A chord is a set of three or more notes that's played simultaneously at the same time. Later on, we can get into more advanced chords, seventh chords, more extended chords, but today we're just going to talk to its most basic fundamental chordness, which is a triad. Triads are three-note chords, and they consist of the 1, the 3, and the 5. You might also hear this first note called the root, or the fundamental note of the chord. So if we're looking at a C major scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and back to C, we're going to take the first, the root, the third, and the fifth, which will give us our C major triad. C, E, and G, so that's the 1, the 3rd, and the 5th scale degree, and we stack those together. C, E, and G, and we have a C major triad. So spreading this out to see how these chords are built, we have a C, we have an E, and we have a G. And the interval between this C and E is a major third. The interval between the E and the G is a minor third. And when you combine that third interval from the first to the fifth, that's a perfect fifth. Okay, let's look at another one. We'll start on D. E, F sharp will be our third, G, and A will be our fifth. So now when we look here, our triad will be a D major triad with the root, the third, and the fifth in the A. So again, stack these up in thirds. So a little trick to see how things are stacked in thirds. If it's starting on a line, everything will be stacked on a line, a space, versus stacking on a line, everything will be stacked in a line. If you start to see stuff that's maybe mixed of lines and spaces, you know we've gone outside of our stacking in groups of 3, stacking in thirds. Okay, so looking at our D major triad again, D, F sharp, add the accidental, A. So we have a major third and a minor third on top of that, which gives us our perfect fifth.